with the storm chasing squad, me and Gage. And we have our line of cardboard stuff. This is Gage's beast. These are his 2 probes. This is my tornado tackler. Where's my probe?
Your probe blew away.
Oh, my probe blew away.
Wait, isn't it? No.
It's not in there.
Wait, start searching. You might have maybe.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah,
All right. So I'm putting the probe down because we're about to intercept with Tornado Tackler 1, TRT1, which is which stands for Tornado Radar Truck, which stands for Tackler Radar Truck.
Dude, can I ask the comment?
And it goes, and it's pretty good.
Tell the...
Yeah, 1 sec. And this is the Tornado Tackler 2, or TT2, stands for TT1. It is our top-notch storm chasing vehicle with inside spikes, and outside spike. This is Gage's Beast 1. This is his only storm chasing vehicle, but it is still top-notch. This is where you store the probes. This is another hatch. So, I hope you guys like this video because we have spent so much time on these, and this radar truck isn't even finished. So,
I want to tell the viewers something.
Now, Gage wants to tell the viewers something.
So put down in the comments if I should build a Beast 2 of this that is even better. Drop it down in the comments, guys. Now let's get down to testing.
All right, Tornado Tackler 1, fully deployed. Let me grab the tripod real quick. Putting you on the tripod so you can see everything. 1 sec, Gage.
Dude, why are you deployed?
Cause.
I'm doing mine undeployed.
Oh, I guess we're doing the undeployed test right now.
Everything on here is gonna be undeployed, even the probe.
Everything is undeployed, even the probes. Ah, bloody.
I'm gonna test the limits of the...
Yeah. So, sorry for the delay. I'm just trying to put the camera on the tripod real quick. Then we'll get to undeploying and all that stuff. We're on the tripod. You can see all 4 of them. I'm going to put it at like an angle. Undeploying Tornado Tackler 1. That literally just broke. That's not good. Hope it can still keep the people chasing in it this summer safe. Alright, Gage, we're not gonna do it very close. Do it from like that green cover, something, whatever that is.
I'm on it.
Alright, good. 1 sec, now you can see Gage has dirt all over his. We're gonna get that dirt off pretty quick.
Hold on, let me give it a nice little...
And just so you know, his spikes are not in right now. As you see, all his spikes are right there. Currently unscrewing the nail. Unscrewing the screws on Tornado Tackler 2.
1 second, I need to do stuff to Cooper.
Alright, Gage, just bring the leaf blower. Come on, dude, really? So this is all of our interceptors fully undeployed. Oh wait, how are those spikes in? They're not supposed to be in. No spikes in. Come on, Gage! Tornado approaching! It's been doing EF5 damage! Tornado, tackle the radar truck!
It died.
It died? Alright, well, I gotta go replace the battery real quick. So we gotta replace the battery, but pretty sure we have a charged battery. So just get that view for a second.
You know what you're doing, kid?
Huh?
You know what you're doing, kid?
Yeah.
Is your dad inside?
Yeah. This one's charged. There we go. Got a new battery. New battery in it. It's gonna be extra powerful. Hey, are you sure you don't have a spike in? No, he doesn't have a spike in. Wow. The beast is gone. So we were all lofted at the end of the day.
But my crew will still survive. All it was a tiny bit of sliding.
So let me do some stuff real quick.
Like, your crew's dead. Like, if it rolls, that means...
Oh, my crew's not dead. No. They still survive. They still survived.
You have a bald spot.
Really? And I doubt I do. But, oh. One sec. Not yet, babe. Not yet.
Oh, are we done?
No. All right. So I'm real quick. Are we gonna do deployed right now?
No. Like, this is the last thing, then we're done testing.
But we didn't even get the deployed in the video, dude.
What do you mean?
The deployed one was in the last. The deployed one was, Gage, the deployed one was in the last video. We never got him deployed. Gage, stop.
It's not calling me big fat boy.
All right, so we only get to put 2 spikes down.
You're chungy. You humongous.
Shut up.
You're fatter than my cat.
Shut up, Cameron.
You're fatter than the planet.
Shut up, Gage.
And that's when the doctor said, well, he's a planet now.
Well,
Don't mind them.
you didn't fall it now.
Shut up.
You're not my boss.
Oh, he is your brother. If he wanted to, he could just slam you on the ground right now.
Wish.
Wow.
That's so true.
All right, so got all 3 of these. We got all 4 of these, actually. Let me get 2. Tornado incoming! Tornado incoming! Oh! That tornado got melted! So, the only one that got lafted was the Attack of the Radar truck. Let's be real, we all expected that.
I think you should always use that one because did you see it? Just 2 spikes and it was not even lifting. Wait, should we do like a little thing of our crews? Like Dominator crew? Well, our crews like when it carries on board. So
What carries?
yeah, like
All right, so
items.
I'm not gonna do like probes or items, but the only person that's actually one of my spikes came undeployed, but the only person inside this is actually a mini Jesus that I got, and he is currently in the turret. God bless America. And so we got gauges. What's inside yours, gauges?
Nothing. Right here. Those go in the back.
Yep, these are probes. These are also my probe.
Dude,
So-
heck, I might even never need those ever again.
Tour's done, but well, let's do fully deployed. Let's get into that. So I gotta deploy my stuff. Here's the back view. Pretty sure y'all can see everything, all of this. I mean,
Hey, can you project it on the back?
Huh?
Can you put what we're seeing on the back
what do you mean?
Well,
of the
Ethan, can I
GoPro?
show you something?
No.
I'm gonna put this break in the board, okay? And then I'm gonna show you something.
One spike in. Trying to get my other spike in.
4 spikes in.
I can kick. Watch this, Ethan.
Cool.
I can kick more higher.
Dude, how are you gonna deploy this?
I don't. That's just the normal car, basically. That's the normal car equivalent for this test. That's why I brought it in. Eventually, I will put spikes on the radar truck in case it needs it. Like that. 3 spikes in.
Come on.
Stop!
All I did was hit the ball.
Both of you guys stop. I'm trying to film. Y'all can argue about this after. So I live in Michigan, right next to a lake, actually, and I'm sure most of you guys have been hearing about this, but like I'm a bit late on this topic. But Michigan has been flooding because of all of the heavy rain that we've got. Tippy Dam almost broke. A bunch of dams near me almost broke. But
Dang.
so
Are we even gonna have the probes deployed?
Yeah, I think.
I'm gonna unscrew mine.
No, I can only actually do 3 probes on that one because there's only 3 working holes since that one broke, as you see. But dude, put your probes behind the vehicles so that we can actually see them.
Like, go this.
Yeah, like that. Like in the holes right here so that they still get winds.
Giant butt Troid meteor just.
Cameron, give me it. Gage, are you ready?
Nope.
Well, yours doesn't even need to be fully deployed. Perfect. performed just like I thought they would. This is the end. Hope you guys like this video. There is one more video up there.